Hi everyone, my name is Jaspreet and I'm a student ambassador at Clovis Community College, and today I'll be helping you guys locate the bookstore. This way you can search for the books that you need for your classes, and then you can schedule when to pick up, where to pick up, or if you want it delivered. I'm just going to give you a little bit of a tutorial on that process. So the first thing that you're going to do is going to go to cloviscollege.edu, and then we are going to go to the academics section from the tabs up here. And then from the academics, you guys will see the bookstore section. So we're going to click on the bookstore. And it's important when you get to the bookstore, you create an account. That way you can safely put in your payment information, and then it can be stored for specifically your account. The only way that you can purchase books is if you do have an account, so make sure you create an account. I already have an account, so I'm just going to move on to the next step. So after that, you're going to scroll down and it's going to say get your textbooks, and then make your selections below to find your course materials for fall 2020. Well, for next semester, you will say spring 2021. And then you're going to find courses and then select term is fall. So for the department, course, and selection, you can get that information from WebAdvisor. How to access the WebAdvisor, I'll put the videos in the description because we have made videos before for that. So then when you guys go to WebAdvisor, you guys will click on My Cart, which I already did, and then you're going to select a class. So you're going to select Stat 7. I'm taking Stat 7, so if I want to book for Stat 7, I'm going to click that. And right here it says Stats 7 and then the course number. So this is the course, Stat, and the section 7, and then the number is 81647. So when we go here, we're going to department is Stat, or you can look through here, department, you're guys going to scroll down for it, department Stat, and then course is automatically 7. Usually it will tell you which course to put. Say if it's accounting 4A or 4B, it's going to be course 4A, 4B. But since Stat 7 is the only stats class that's available fall 20, we put stats and it automatically puts 7 for us. And then select section. So the section number, like we looked at before, it is 81647 right here. So we're going to click on 81647. And then it has find materials for that one course. You can put as many courses as you want. And then they have the book there, so you can rent it for a digital copy, means you don't physically have to pick it up. You can rent it for $56 for 180 days, $72 for 360 days. And then if you want to buy a new one, like a physical copy, you can get $130 $75 from the bookstore, or you just want the digital, just the course number for the online homework and quizzes and tests, and you can get the digital for $89.50. So I want, say if I want the physical one, I want the new physical one, it's going to be $130.75. So I'm going to add one item to bag, and then one item has been added to my bag from my course list, so I'm just going to view bag and check out. Now I can continue shopping, but for me, I just want this book. And then this is my book, Basic Statistics for Business and Economics, and then I will check out. And then it says, because our textbook inventory can change if the textbook condition you are used, you select as unavailable, we can replace it with the condition available. This may affect the total price of your order. So you can put yes, replace my book with the condition available, which is recommended, or you do not want to replace my book, the unavailable items will be canceled from my order. So I'm going to click yes, replace my book with the condition available, and then I'm going to proceed to checkout. And since I've been signed in, it's going to go straight to my delivery method. Now, what the cool thing about this is that you can pick up, and it's no shipping, because you're going to be going to the Clovis Community College bookstore and picking it up. So you can select, I'm just going to pick up, and then they will send you an email with their tracking information, and then you can use this tracking information to determine when your order is ready to pick up from the bookstore. Or you can ship to an address. You can put your first and last name, your state, and then address, and then there will be a shipping fee, but it will get shipped to your door instead of going to the bookstore. But for me, I'm just going to pick up because it's free, and then you can put, is this a gift or any special instructions for it? And if not, you can just proceed to payment method. And from that, if you have a promo code, you can apply, or if you have a bookstore account, or if you have a gift card, or it's going to use your credit debit card or your PayPal, then you can put your payment method, and then you will place order, and then you will get an email confirmation on your order has been placed. And then when it's ready to pick up, and then you can go pick it up, or you can, if you want to have it delivered to you, then it'll give you the information, your tracking information on the delivery. So that was just a little tutorial on the bookstore information, how to access it. I'll put the web advisor links in the description, but thank you so much. Hope that helped.